I
All
start.
right. First of all, it looks like you guys picked the spider monkey. Why the spider monkey?
Because it's attractive.
What does that even mean, Olivia? That it's attractive. What do you mean?
Because it's cute, and they're not really mean animals, so they're more gentle.
Are you sure? Because I just watched a show on TV last night where these people had spider monkeys as pets.
They've eaten them. They've like attacked them.
Well, they didn't eat them, but yeah, they were like biting them and stuff, and they had to give them all away.
That's not what I
like.
I heard that
And then
one of the
like
gentlest
they
monkeys.
were talking about how they pull the teeth of the spider monkeys. Like when they're pets, they'll pull their teeth so they don't bite them. It was really gross.
That's not.
I know.
I wanted to pick spider monkey because
Like they'll take them to the vet and they'll have all their teeth pulled. Or at least their canine teeth, which are like their big ones. Anyway, that's off the topic. Go ahead, Jeff.
I
Sorry.
wanted to pick spider monkey because it's in a lot of movies.
Oh, that's a good reason. All right, let's hear what you got. Start wherever you want.
Spider monkey's diet. They are frugivores.
What's that mean?
That they eat fruit and nuts.
Nice.
And they do not pick the fruit and move it. They do not pick up fruit and move it to another location. They also eat bark and decaying wood and as well as honey.
What does that mean, Olivia? That they don't pick up fruit and take it to another location?
Like they don't. It's a big word.
Like they'll eat it right there. Like,
Yeah.
They'll just
They
climb
like
the
don't
tree.
take it
Yeah,
and save
like-
it for later. They just
Yeah.
Oh. That makes sense.
Often large cats like jaguars and pumas and these littler cats like ocelots eat them. And
Large snakes
some snakes and birds.
and people.
Big birds.
Cool.
Spider monkeys do find their food in the treetops.
They use their long arms and tails for them to easily grab their food with their tail.
Is it a prehensile tail?
Yeah,
What does that mean?
it means it can grip stuff.
They use their tail almost like another arm. Okay.
They're also omnivores too, and they eat 3 to 4 times a day. And they prefer ripe fruits and leaves, but will eat nuts, seeds, insects, spiders, and sometimes eggs.
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 They eat
Birds.
3 to 4 times a day.
I just said that.
Did you say that? That's all right.
They are important to seed dispersal. Their movement means that seeds are often dispersed far from the parent tree.
What does that mean?
Dispersed,
Here, let me
doesn't it?
wrote it down.
I know. Doesn't it mean that bury their seeds? Or my mom told me that they just bury their seeds and then
They bury them? They're not like squirrels. No, they don't.
They don't.
I think it means
No.
like they'll get seeds from different trees and then they'll just drop them other places.
But you guys said they didn't drop their stuff other places.
That's food. These are seeds.
But you said they eat seeds.
Yeah, there's different kinds of seeds.
Oh, okay. So you think they just pick them and drop them somewhere else?
You never know. Spider monkeys.
Okay. Luke, you know?
Yeah, isn't it that when they eat it, the seeds go in, and then when they digest them, they just poop them out, basically?
Yeah. Yeah, so they eat they eat the fruit in the location like you guys said, and then seeds are hard to digest, so they don't get digested. So wherever they poop, the seeds come out, and then that's it goes into the ground, and that grows new trees and stuff. So seed dispersal.
Spider monkeys play a crucial role in regenerating tropical rainforests.
What's that mean?
It means like planting new trees.
So they get out their shovel and
No, like when they poop seeds and stuff, it has more plants growing. and
yeah,
stuff.
they just spread stuff around. Good.
There are 7 varieties. 7 varieties need spider monkeys to germinate their seeds. Spider monkeys play a role in regenerating tropical rainforests by dispersing plant and flower seeds and their dung, which aids the rainforest habitat regeneration.
Those are big words, Olivia. What's dung?
Isn't it poop?
Yeah.
Spider monkeys germinate their seeds by eating the fleshy part of the fruit, then either drop or spit the seeds out.
Or swallow the seeds and eliminate them in feces.
What's feces?
Poop.
So many
Lots
words.
of different words for poop.
I didn't know there were so many words for
There's a
poop.
lot of different words for poop.
Waste.
I don't know.
Why don't you just say poop?
I don't know.
They are diurnal, which means they are active during the day, mostly active in the morning.
They're like people.
They live,
30 years, average is 22 years.
yeah.
When they are threatened, they make barking noises, but if they don't scare them, subgroups and run away, bites are rare.
They find food in the treetops, and it's usually nuts, fruits, leaves, birds, eggs, and spiders. They communicate with calls, screeches, barks, and other sounds.
They give birth to single babies, usually every 2 to 5 years. Babies are independent for 10 weeks, and they explore on their own and play amongst themselves.
In their habitat, their home is being destroyed by logging and humans expanding their environment.
Stays in the tops of the canopy.
And they get around 80 to 400 inches of rain a year.
The average temperature is around 80 degrees Fahrenheit.
They live in parts of Mexico and South America.
What rainforest would that be?
The
Oh, sorry, it says it there.
Amazon.
And
Damn.
And then there's a picture of where they live.
Cool.
description, tails can get up to 80 centimeters long.
Olivia, how long is 80 centimeters?
That one.
None of you have, neither one of you have any idea.
No, it
No.
just
I'm
says
trying to think of a
80
ruler.
Think of a meter stick. Meter sticks are 100 centimeters. So it's
So
probably about 2.5 feet. About.
that's still long.
Pretty long, yeah.
Adults get up to 20 centimeters long, not including tail.
So if you think about it, their bodies are like that big. Their tails are like that big. So overall, they're about a meter.
Adults can weigh up to 2.2 pounds.
And they have long, lanky arms and gripping tails.
They have small heads and hairless faces.
They have 4 long fingers and no thumbs.
They have hooked like hands. Spider monkeys live in medium-sized groups with about 30 individuals. Females have a more active leading role than males. It is mostly centered around the females and their young. That's
And
Watch your food web.
on the food web, spider monkey usually just eats like fruits and small like animals, like small bugs, so like all the pumas and like the big cats and everything are eating them. And then that's our freaky eagle.
The what eagle?
The freaky eagle.
That's not what it's called. What's it actually called?
Philippine eagle.
The Philippine eagle, yeah. Cool. It is pretty cool. I think it's actually a really cool eagle.
Wait,
And this-
It's just a peep.
It doesn't.
That's a peep.
And this, these spider monkeys, the one with the white on them, they're the ones that are usually in the movies. They're called chupin monkeys or something.
Capuchin monkeys. Cool. Any questions about spider monkeys for these guys? Whoa, wait.